All right, we're going to take you through all the different things that we did on the truck. First thing we did was take out the ECU module, which is right here, this whole entire box. We got that out, read the serial numbers, and then we installed the Hydra chip, which you can see the module is right here, and the chip is back in there inside the box. We had to cut that hole. There's a USB cable right in here too that you can use to upgrade tunes, but this selector switch has 15 different tunes on it, and you can change it at any time. I'll show you that when we start it. We installed the cold air intake, removed the whole batteries, created a new battery box for everything, reclamped down the batteries. We put in the new turbo, which is KC Turbo Gen 3. It's polished. It's got the Whistler. This is the new horn for it, the new intake horn. The size difference on that, the old one was about this big, the new one was twice as big. We also reinstalled a brand new downpipe, which is back in the back there. Can't really see it. And then this is your intake Y. Your hot side of your turbo outlet comes here and into the intercooler down there, and then it comes out of the intercooler on this side right there and follows back up and comes back into the cylinders. So come out of the cylinders and the exhaust manifold and the back side of the turbo and out the exhaust. And once we follow that down pipe, you'll be able to see that this is the brand new down pipe all the way up to the back of the turbo, and then it changes to 5-inch exhaust pipe, and it goes all the way straight out the back up over the axle and out of the back of the truck. There's the new exhaust pipe. We can take that pipe and cut it at any point wherever you like it. We can cut it on an angle, we can cut it straight, wherever you like it, but that's just the factory length of that pipe. There's a significant amount of oil in the valley of, all right, sorry about that. There was a significant amount of oil in the valley of the pan, right down in the bottom there. You can't really see it very well from here, but we cleaned all that up. The truck's got a few oil leaks, but if you come back over here, I'll show you. You can start it. Okay. And when you look on the tunes, we're on 10. 9 is where we'd like to see it. That's your, actually 6 is your heavy toe tune. I will send you all of those, but you basically just come down here and you've got an up and down switch, and you can change the tunes at any time to anything you want. We tested on 9 and 6 because you're going to be towing a lot with it. The throttle response is pretty significant. It's immediate. We checked for leaks. There's no leaks. Everything's running smooth. There you go. All right, here we are on a test drive. It's very, very different than what it was when you dropped it off. But here we are on the straightaway. You can hear the turbo wastegate when you let off of the throttle. The wastegate will go whoosh. But you can really hear that turbo. I think everything we did really woke up the truck, and it's really responsive. You should like it.